Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So viewers, I hope you're fine. I am also fine. In this video I gonna show some amazing beautiful pebble stone designs and ideas. You can see I can share many beautiful pebble stone ideas. You guys know we can share different amazing pebble videos, pebble art for painting, for kids, animal and etc. I can share different amazing pebble ideas. You can check my YouTube channel. You can see. And then I started a video tutorial for paper art ideas, and I hope you like it. You can see different style. It is very amazing and beautiful pebble ideas, stone shape. You can see, and I hope you like it. Then you like it, viewers, so please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon, viewers, and please share your friends and family members, and do not forget my YouTube channel. And I can share different amazing pebble tutorials ideas. So viewers, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye, see you soon.